Bluey was a bright blue bird who loved to sing in the mornings. He flapped from branch to branch, chirping cheerful tunes and swooping over the garden below. It was his favorite place, full of buzzing bees, blooming flowers, and rows of tasty vegetables. One sunny morning, Bluey spotted something new in the garden. A small, fluffy bunny was nibbling a carrot, ears twitching, nose wiggling, eyes wide with wonder. Bluey tilted his head. "Hey, that's Farmer Green's carrot." The bunny froze. "I'm sorry, I didn't know. I was just so hungry." Bluey fluttered down. "I'm Bluey." "What's your name?" "I'm Bella." The bunny said shyly. "I don't have a garden of my own." Bluey thought for a moment. Then he smiled. "Well, maybe we can share this one." Every day after that, Bella came to the garden, and Bluey met her there, guiding her to the juicy lettuce, pointing out the ripest tomatoes, and showing her how not to step on the baby sprouts. In return, Bella helped dig little holes with her strong paws. Together, they planted a row of tiny carrot seeds. "This one's yours," said Bella. "And this one's yours," said Bluey. Then they watered the soil and waited. Days turned into weeks, and slowly green shoots poked up from the dirt. The garden began to grow, and so did their friendship. They played hide-and-seek between the sunflowers. They made mud pies by the strawberry patch, and they sang silly songs while chasing butterflies. But one day, dark clouds rolled in. The wind blew wild, and heavy rain poured from the sky. Bluey fluttered to the garden, worried. The rows of veggies were soggy. Some flowers had fallen, and Bella was sitting under a leaf, shivering. "Our carrots," she whispered. "They're gone." Bluey landed beside her. "Not gone, just hiding for a while." Bella looked up. "Really?" Bluey nodded. "The sun will come back. Just wait." And sure enough, a few days later, the sun peeked through. The garden lifted its head, and in the middle of the carrot row, two orange tops pushed through the soil. One for Bluey, one for Bella. They squealed and cheered and hopped in circles. Then they each took a bite, sweet, crunchy, and full of sunshine. From that day on, Bluey and Bella kept planting new things, tomatoes, peas, even sunflowers that grew taller than Bluey's tree. Because when the friends share a garden, kindness grows, joy grows, and friendship blossoms like flowers in the sun.